So last week I taped here, and the stuff that was in the sky was dark and stringy looking, like webs. And they were moving around, and I was a little overwhelmed by it because it was so crazy looking. Oh, we got it. This is just outrageously. This beats it. Absolutely. Look at this stuff. Look at the stuff in the air. Those are vehicles. This is... Okay, we're going to come in here. Yes, we are. And then we're leaving. I don't need to really say much about this. You can see it for yourself. Come to your own conclusion. Yep, they're moving around. Doing their little Morphe stuff. Okay, that's as close as we can get. Alright. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. That's them. That's one. Yep, these are them. All this is that. All of it. Oh my. What the hell are those? Oh, sorry for my... What the heck are those? Really? Okay. Alright. I'm gonna pull back and then pull out. Yeah, that's... okay. Like I said, I'm not gonna say anything. You just look for yourself. Okay, this is in the air. All this. That's where those colored ones were, all back in here that we got close-ups on, and ooh, what's coming off that, going through, I don't know what that stuff was. Alright, see you on the next stop. Have a great morning.